back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How is it going over there? We're doing good here, and we hope you are too. So today we're bringing you how we made this, for this beautiful dress, this beige and chocolate dress. It's a mesh dress, yeah. It's a short dress, and it's lacy, if you would call it that. And it's also a test of a pattern, right? We created this ourselves. All right, so without wasting much time, we're going to dive into it. But before that, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. Every week we bring you brand new videos. If we're not showing you all the possibilities of crochet using our inspiration videos, we show you how we made one of our bespoke pieces. And then we added something new to our channel recently, which is demystifying crochet, which shows you how a certain celebrity's dress or apparel was made. So yeah, we added that. So if you have any pictures of any apparel that you like so much and you want it demystified, send it our way. We have our galleries up on Instagram, our wedding day apparel. You can find those on Makisode Weddings on Instagram. And then our corporates, casuals, accessories, and the likes. Those you can find on Makisode Models. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram pages, like, place nice comments, and then share as many pictures, share as many videos, recommend our videos, for your friends and family. Okay, so let's start. So this is a mesh dress, right? It's a very simple dress to work. Meshes are one of the simplest crochet things to work. However, we didn't do the usual. Yeah, the usual would be loads of chains and maybe just one double crochet stitch here and there. But we switched things up a bit. So we alternated. Take a good look at that. What do you see? So we alternated. This is where you have the chains on this initial 4 rows, and this is where you have the post. So the next 4 rows we alternated. You now have your post above where you had the chains, and chains above where you had the post. So we just create this on your own. Actually, we did this on our own. So it's something you can create. You can create beautiful beautiful patterns. It's not all the time we borrow patterns from Instagram pattern writers and all of that. You can always create yours. All right, so what did we do here? Essentially, we work this in 4 parts, right? Like I said, this is really easy to work. 2 panels, the front panel, the back panel, sleeves. That's all. Join them all together, you have your dress. Okay, but what is it that's really special about this one? The different colors used, definitely. The step at the base of the dress, definitely. And then this opening up here at the neck area, yeah, the neck region, beautiful. And then a short sleeve, right? So you can choose to make your sleeves longer, yeah, if you want, but this one we just use a straight up mesh. That's what we did, straight up mesh for the sleeves. You can do that too. So as usual, the widest area of the individual's body, which is the hip, there's a hip measurement we use for this. The desired length of the dress, you work that, yeah, at the back. And then the front, maybe you skip a few rows so that it jumps, right, and gives you this, or you work it equally. That all of that depends on you. You join them at the sides using whatever style you want to join, you want to use. Okay, what we did here, let me just walk you through that real quick. What we did here is that we joined every row of the front panel to the back panel using chains. So what did we do? Single crochet into the see that boundary there, into the stitch, into the row boundary, right? Chain 1, single crochet into the row boundary here, chain 1, single crochet into the row boundary here, chain 1, single crochet, alternate all of that until you get to the end, right? That's it right there. So that's how we join the panels. Now, while you had walked your back panel straight up, right? No divisions. For the front panel, of course, when we got to the neck region, we now had to walk the left and then walk the right panels, right? Before we joined up here at the shoulders. Okay, so that's the difference. Now you want to walk yours without sleeves, you can definitely do that. So yeah, that's it. Use as many colors or a single color. All of that makes your work look unique. right? You can work this instead of alternate. I alternated every 4 rows. You can alternate every 8 rows. You can alternate, or you choose not to alternate at all. Put 2 posts, 2 chains, 2 posts, 2 chains, 2 posts, 2 chains, like that. All right, so yeah, that's about it. Is there any part of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mini mesh dress that you do not understand? Do let us know in the comment section, and we'll do our best to come up with an explicit explanation. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe